In this video, I'll show you how to add a cookie consent banner on Webflow. Alright, so let's go and open up our test website. And once you're on your website, what you want to do is go to apps on the left-hand side, and then you want to type in cookie consent. Now you have quite a few options here, but keep in mind a good portion of them are paid options. So we're just going to go with consent bit for this. But you can open up the marketplace if you want to find another one. And then you just want to click on install. And then once it's done installing, click on authorize. And then you want to scan your project. Now, I won't be installing any scripts because I have not published this website. And again, I would need a subscription for that. So we're just going to click next for this tutorial. And then we want to hit confirm and proceed to the next step. Now again, you can see here, we need to complete payment to publish. I believe consent bit is $8. But for now, I want to show you the customization features. So if I click on customize, here you'll see you have a whole bunch of different customization options. From banner styles to typography, colors, as well as going into settings and setting up your animations, language settings, how long before the cookie consent window expires, and what compliances it has. So if you keep going down here, you'll see all your customization options. And when you're ready, you can hit publish. Here you can see the subscription price, and I was correct. It is $8 per month. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, you don't have to use consent, but you have various options and they will differ, of course, in setup. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.